Lizzie Divala. I'm from Malawi. I'm a second year PhD student on the Integrative Infection Biology PhD program at the University of Glasgow. The Wellcome Trust IIB program is a fully funded multidisciplinary PhD program that is offered by the University of Glasgow. And this program targets infectious disease biologists and trains scientists who are motivated to contribute to global health issues. Overall, I see this as a program that is training world-class scientists who will be very instrumental in addressing health-related issues. What interested me as an individual, I looked at how can I make a difference. So Malawi is one of the countries where malaria is one of the leading causes of death. And personally, I've had first-hand experiencing the disease or family members who got the disease. And I was looking for ways how I can use molecular biology techniques to be able to address health-related problems. So I see this molecular biology as a way that I can research and help provide information that will help to address knowledge gaps that are really needed in the fight against malaria. What interested me to study the University of Glasgow IIB program? After my master's program, I was looking for an opportunity that was going to challenge me, which is what I needed to grow as a researcher. And when I saw the University of Glasgow IIB program, I saw that it had all that I needed in a PhD program. To start with, it has the best global leading malaria experts who are leading the program, in addition to other infectious diseases. And also I looked at the program structure, which offers you the opportunity to have lab rotations in state-of-the-art facilities before you can actually decide on the PhD program that you want, and also looking at the support that you would get in order to develop your PhD project. I saw this as the best that I could get to start my next career step. Firstly, I must say that I'm proud to be one of the students on the first cohort of this prestigious program. What I love about the program, we have great supervisors and facilities. And the other amazing thing is that there's a lot of peer support because we come in as a cohort. So we all go through the same stages until the stage where each one of us has to decide on where to do their projects. And the other thing that I love this is because this program is fully funded and the funding goes throughout all the 4 years of the PhD, which means that I don't have to worry about having to stop the project midway because of funding issues. And yeah, I'm really happy and I like this program. So what do I love about Glasgow? I find Glasgow to be a very friendly place. You see smiles on people's faces every time you're moving around the streets, and that just makes the place really welcome. The Wellcome Trust IIB program, as we call it, is the PhD program for the scientists that want to get world-class training, that want to have collaborators who are scientists that are leading in the field, because it's infection biology, so it's not just related to one disease, there are a lot of diseases. So to every infection biologist that is looking for a PhD program, I would say this is the program. And you get support to be able to develop a question that you really want to address. And even before you get there, you have the opportunity to go through lab rotations where you can decide which field you really want to do in case you're not sure of what you really want to do or what the approach is for whatever you want to study for your PhD. So yes, I would recommend the Wellcome Trust IIB program. The University of Glasgow is a university where the world changes are. So this is a school that I would recommend. It's one of the top universities in the world that is offering different courses, and it's multicultural, which makes it even more welcoming for international students. And you can easily integrate and feel at home. So I would call this as an extension to home, where you've just changed where you live, but it still feels like home because everyone is going to welcome you. The first thing I'll say is, yes, now is the time to start looking at what courses you'd want to study at the University of Glasgow. And for PhD students, now is also the time to start talking to the supervisors, potential supervisors, especially for this IIB program. You'll find all the information about the potential supervisors on the website. And another thing is that the program already has a lot of international students on it, 4 from Africa, and the rest are from all over the world. So we all have experiences that we can share with potential students who would like to join us for the next cohort. And we are all willing to talk to all potential students and advise them throughout the application process.